Today in the Easter Torn Kitchen, I have some smoked mussels that I made with a homemade dipping sauce. And guess what? This recipe is so simple and easy. I brought out my Ninja Woodfire grill for this recipe. Ooh, look at that smoke and look at those juicy mussels. So let's go right into this recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it. To prepare the Woodfire grill, I set it on 300 for 10 minutes. For the wood pellets, I use a robust blend, but you can use any food-safe wood pellets you like for your Ninja Woodfire grill. Now, this is the time you want to make sure your mussels are nice and clean. Allow the mussels to sit in cold water to remove impurities, and also go through and remove any barnacles sticking out of the mussels. You don't want to bite into anything but the mussels itself, okay? Now, to season the mussels, I am starting off with some neutral oil. This is avocado oil that I'm using, but you can use any other neutral oil that you have. I have onion powder and garlic powder, but listen, before I continue, all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description for you to follow. You know I got y'all. Now I'm adding some black pepper to that. Then I'm going to hit it with some smoked paprika. That's going to add a nice color to these mussels when they are in that Ninja Woodfire grill smoking, okay? Then for my salt and sodium, well, same thing, I'm using Cajun seasoning. No additional salt. Cajun seasoning is all you're going to need. Now give it a nice mix and stir it up. You just want to make sure all of the mussels is coated perfectly with that seasoned mixture. This is about 2.5 pounds of New Zealand mussels, and they are seasoned perfectly. Look at that. Now, before I add the mussels to the Ninja Woodfire grill, I need to hit it with some lemon juice. So just a half squeeze of lemon juice. Give it a quick stir again just to make sure everything is coated evenly. Now it's time to move to the smoker. It's nothing like the smell of smoke coming off of a grill. It is time to smoke these New Zealand mussels. I'm using the air crisp basket that comes with the Woodfire grill. I'm adding my New Zealand mussels to that basket. Now, I needed to spread out the mussels so that way the mussels can get an even smoke. I did not want the mussels to be overlapping each other and then some not cooked, and no, I don't want that mess. So I just took the time to make sure it is spread out just like that. Beautiful. Now it's time to close the lid, allow the mussels to smoke, and we're going to make our homemade dipping sauce. For this dipping sauce, it's amazing and it's so quick to make. I'm starting off with some QP mayonnaise, which is a Japanese style mayonnaise, and is amazing. I'm adding some roasted sesame seed oil to that mixture. Then I'm gonna kick up the heat. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. You can add as much or as little as you like. It's totally up to you. Now I'm going to add some roasted garlic mustard. You can simply use Dijon mustard or regular yellow mustard, but the roasted garlic was a good hit for this one. Now I'm adding some Cajun seasoning that contains sodium, so I don't need to add any extra salt. For some freshness, I'm adding a squeeze of a lemon, and don't forget folks, I have all of the ingredients in the description to follow, and that is oyster sauce. Yes, that's going to add the sweetness we need to break up that savoriness and the heat. Go ahead and give it a good mix just like that, and listen, that sauce is coming together nicely. I grabbed some fresh dill, just broke it off the stem, and I just added that to the sauce mixture just like that. Nothing fancy. You can chop it up if you want, but I just kind of peeled it off and just dumped it right in that sauce and gave it a quick mix, and there you have it. You have your homemade dipping sauce for these these smoked mussels. Yes, let's check these smoked mussels. Woo! Look at those smoked mussels. You see that smoke? You see that color on those mussels? Now, I went 7 to 9 minutes. I did not overcook the mussels, and listen, they're still juicy. Look at that. Look at that. Still juicy. Perfect. Now I'm transferring my smoked mussels to a platter for serving. You can serve it however you like. I've added a lemon wedge and some parsley. Of course, I cannot forget the homemade dipping sauce. But folks, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this recipe? Will you be making smoked mussels? Leave a comment, give me some feedback. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. I'm telling you, it was a 10 out of 10. I dipped it in that sauce. It was a thumbs up all the way. I'll see you guys in the next recipe video.